Hi internet friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lee. I'd like to talk about quality clothing and mending alteration clothing. Today I'm going to mend this jacket. So this is my favorite jacket from Escada, and I did a video about how I altered this jacket and so make it the look I like. And since I got this jacket and I want this jacket so much, the sleeve become like this, very warm. Look at that here. Here is the sleeve. It's very warm. So my plan is take one piece of fabric. I got this piece of fabric from a pair of trousers. I shortened the trousers and this piece is left. So because the color is similar, I'm going to use this part to repair this sleeve. So this is the hem of a pair of trousers I have shortened. I cut here like this, and I used the seam ripper and opened like this. Okay, now I will turn this way and start to insert this fabric here along this warm sleeve of this jacket. Use some pins. Now I pin around the sleeve. Let me turn inside out. Inside the sleeve is like this. There's still a lot of excess fabric. I'm going to cut just from here. Okay. Now I can fold this part in just along this line. Okay, inside and out, both sides tuck in. I just need to sew this together. So I will turn the sleeve inside out. Start sew from here. here's the result. I have sewn along here around and just short stitches outside and the long stitches inside, and very luckily the hem of these trousers matches this sleeve so well. Even the side seam, they matches together. And the color, look at, they both dark navy, and I'm very happy with this result, and I can wear this jacket many years more.